morning. Good morning.
എല്ലാവരും വന്നു കേട്ടാ ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് ഇട്ടാ
Am I audible with you? Navneet Krishna. Navneet Krishna.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Audio.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning. Mute your audio. Mute your audio. After repetition, you have to, when you join the class, you have to check your audio, your video. If everything is fine, if everything is fine, if everything is fine, you can. If everything is fine, you can mute your mute your audio. Your audio.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, check your net connection. Maybe some problem on your net connection. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Dia, Felix, Adidev, Nanda, Celine, Maria. These all students have to mute their audio. Mute your audio. Some sounds from your house, some television sounds, some other sounds are coming to this class. So, very good. Okay, good. Okay, you are all good students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning. Then
morning,
mute
ma'am.
your audio. Mute your audio. Okay. How many are present now?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Who is this? Okay, 29 are present. Okay, just check. I think most of you can hear me, right? Most of
Now
the
I can hear you.
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will call one student. Aditi. Aditi,
Yes, ma'am.
is my audio is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What about my video?
Yes, ma'am.
Everything is fine, right? So, most of the students can hear me and also can
I can see you. Ma'am, I cannot see me in ma'am's screen. Ma'am, you can see me, Tanvi.
Okay, now everybody,
Ma'am, you can see me, Tanvi.
yes, everybody mute your audio. Glenn, everybody.
You can see me, Tanvi.
Yes, Tanvi, I can see.
Ma'am, you can see me.
Sri Hari,
I am Navneet Krishna.
okay, I can see you. If I can't see, I will call their name. So now, Felix, sit on your place properly.
I was going to take my book.
San, Aditi, Glenn, switch on. Okay, now I don't want to waste much time because see,
Headset കുത്തിയിട്ടില്ലയോ?
so Risa, what is the name of Risa's sister? I don't know the name. Anyhow, I got a personal message. But everybody can hear, my dear. Most of the students can hear. So check the audio, volume of your audio. Okay. Now, Let me ask one question. Celine Elizabeth, unmute. Celine Elizabeth. In the last class, we discussed about digestion. Am I right? Last class, we discussed about digestion. See, lot of disturbance. Huh? Lot of disturbances. My ear is failing. Everybody mute your audio. Okay. Aditi, keep your phone in a straight position. Okay. Now, Celine, Celine, unmute. Celine, unmute your audio. Okay. So, I just want to revise the last class topic. The breaking down of food inside our body. Who is talking loudly? Whose device is not muted?
Ma'am, I know.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Okay. I called Celine for the answer. Okay. Celine, the breaking down of food inside our body is called dash.
Digestion.
See,
Good morning, ma'am.
somebody is talking at your house. Please tell
Ma'am,
to-
there is a disturbance.
Yes, I also can't take the class.
Morning,
So,
ma'am.
everybody mute your audio. And Danvin,
Ma'am, because of the disturbance, I can.
Danvin, mute your audio. Danvin,
But
mute
I
your
cannot
audio.
hear anything.
Navaneet, mute your audio. Siddhi, mute your audio. Why should you? Nasnia, mute your audio. Before the starting of class, you should choose a place where you will get Wi-Fi connection and which is suitable for you. Comfortable position. You have to choose it.
Ma'am, Jenica did not mute.
In between, you should not move your position. Just before the class, you have to make it ready. Otherwise, when you take the device and moving around around your home, that all sounds will disturb the class. Okay, we should not make any disturbance to others. So I hope all will understand me. Okay, so the last class we learned about the digestion. The breaking down of food inside our body is called digestion. Okay, Isha, unmute. Why we need our food to get digested? Why we need our food to get digested?
Because we need energy.
Okay, so if the food get digested, if the food which we eat get digested, then only we get the energy. That all we discussed in the class. So next one, while we eat food, which is the organ or which is that organ where we keep the food first? Where we keep the food first?
In our mouth.
Okay, good. In our mouth. So, using mouth, in the mouth, teeth and tongue are present. Using that, we can make that food substance into small piece and can swallow that food into our throat. Am I right? Is the mouth only help us for breaking down the food? Is the mouth only help us to break down the food?
No.
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 Teeth and
Okay.
tongue.
Teeth and tongue included in the mouth. It is in the mouth. Not only the mouth, so many other internal organs. You might have learned in the 3rd standard about liver, stomach, food pipes, in the small intestine, large intestine, like this. So these all internal organs help us to, these all internal organs help the food to get digested. So, the organ system in our body, the organ system in our body that helps in breaking down the food is called digestive system. Nasmia, mute your audio. Dia, mute your audio. The organ system in our body that helps in breaking down the food is called digestive system. So, not only the mouth, so many internal organs are associated with the digestion. Felix, or not only mouth, we can see the process which is happening in the mouth, but not only the mouth. So many internal organs are associated in the digestive process. This whole organ system, we can call it as digestive system. That is the name of our chapter. Last class you learned up to this. I think so, right? Am I right? In the last class, we discussed about digestion, digestive system. Now, today, we can see which are the different parts of digestive system. We can see different parts of digestive system. Before that, I want to share an image. Do you want to see the image?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
please wait. Okay. Please wait. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Let me take the keyboard cord to insert the image. Okay. Whose video audio is not muted? Felix, mute your audio. Okay. Can you see
Ma'am,
the
is it
board?
Felix or Celine?
Felix, I think. Let me, next time I will check it again, okay? Because see, I want to be familiar with you. I'm not that much familiar, but in coming days I will try my level best to familiar with you, okay? Okay, can you see a picture?
Picture is in our textbook.
Yeah, it is there in the textbook. Okay, the same thing. See, see here we can see mouth, then the long tube. Can you see this? Can you see this long tube? Okay,
Yes.
I will annotate in between so it will be easy for you to see. Okay, so here I am going to write about the different parts of digestive system. First, we can learn about mouth. Okay, mouth, I don't want to introduce you anymore. Everyone knows about mouth is the starting point of digestion. Mouth is the starting point of digestion. Okay, next one, can you see this long tube? Do you know the name of that tube?
Food pipe.
Okay. Last year you learned, right? Food
Pipe. Food pipe.
pipe. Food pipe. Okay.
Food pipe.
This is the food pipe. So can you see here one bag-like thing? Bag-like organ.
Yes.
Bag-like organ.
Yes. Stomach. Stomach.
Yes.
Stomach.
Calling.
Stomach.
Stomach.
Arpita, what do you want?
Ma'am.
Who calls me? Who calls me?
Adidev.
Okay. Aditi, what do you want?
Ma'am, I cannot see the screen and it is white.
White. See, Devadash and Janavi, can you see the picture, image?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So, please check your net connection. Okay. So, this bag-like organ is called
Stomach.
okay, stomach. The bag-like organ is called stomach.
Ma'am,
And it's
I have
also
a doubt.
stretchy.
It is
And it's also stretchy.
okay. It is stretchy. Arpita,
Ma'am, I have a
Arpita.
doubt.
Ma'am, so what is two kidneys and all?
Sorry. Who is talking that? Anybody have doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Who has
Ma'am, so what is the two kidneys?
Where is the two
Kidneys.
kidneys? We are talking about digestive system. Understood? So,
Ma'am,
see,
I have a doubt.
I am showing here the organs which help us in
For
digestion.
digestion.
Which
Ma'am, I have a
help
doubt.
us in our digestion. Kidneys
Ma'am.
not very
Ma'am.
organ system. They are doing another function for our
Ma'am.
body. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, Glenn have a doubt.
Who has doubt?
Glenn.
Okay. He can ask. Why he need the recommendation? You can ask, no? Ask it.
Ma'am, in the top of the stomach, one organ is there. What is
Liver.
that organ called?
Liver.
All of you mute your audio.
Liver.
All of your audio. Today I am saying the names of different organs in the digestive system.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Let me come.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Okay. What is the name of this organ? It is liver.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Okay. It is liver. So
Liver.
first mouth, then food pipe, then stomach. Liver is
Ma'am, I
there.
cannot hear you.
Ma'am, your sound is getting high to low.
You just check your device. Okay.
No, ma'am, I cannot also be clear of your sound.
Okay, it is clear, my dear. Almost all are getting clear. Okay. See, here you can see pipe-like organs.
Small intestine.
Okay, this one is
Small
called
intestine, big intestine. Little intestine.
mute your audio.
Small intestine.
And large
Mute your
intestine.
audio. Otherwise, I will stop sharing. Small intestine. Small intestine. Another one, this one,
Ma'am, somebody is blowing.
large intestine.
Large intestine.
And the end part of digestive system. It is
Anus.
okay. The end part of the digestive system, anus, through which the waste which is produced in our body will be get rid of our body. Understood? So these are the main organs, different parts of digestive system. These are the different parts of digestive. See, all of you mute your audio. Somebody is playing. Aditi, mute your audio. If you are playing or if you are just tapping.
Flowing into the.
Ma'am, I am already muted.
Who is talking? Mute your audio. You want?
My muted.
See somebody. Mute your audio. I am checking everybody. Maria, mute your audio. What all your parents are talking, that also is hearing. Mute your audio. Mute it. Mute it.
Ma'am,
Nobody. Rayan, mute your audio.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you can mute everybody's audio, right?
Yes, I can mute. But in between, some are leaving from the class and again they are admitting. So then they will start talking.
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
Now I am sharing this screen. In between, I want to stop to share this screen and to mute it. Understood? This all we will lose time. So it is better you mute your device. Rayan, mute your device. Who is scribbling on the board? Huh? Who is that naughty one? So, mouth, food pipe, liver, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. These are the main parts of digestive system. Okay, main parts of digestive system. Now, okay, let me ask.
Ma'am.
Who is the naughty boy, naughty one who scribbled
Ma'am,
on the...
Risa is the...
Riza is muted.
Muted.
No.
Sri Hari, mute your audio. See, otherwise the full class I will used to say mute it, and our portion will not complete. Okay. So, let me ask one question. Rudra, unmute,
Yes.
unmute. Where you are looking, just look at the audio, look at the screen. Rudra,
Yes.
look on the camera of your phone or what. Just look at here. Rudra, can you tell me the different parts of digestive system? Try it. I will help you. First.
Mouth,
Okay, good. Mouth. Then.
food pipe,
Very good. Then.
stomach,
Very good. Yes, correct. Then.
large intestine,
Okay, intestine. Small intestine. Large intestine. Then. One liver. Liver is there, right? Liver.
Yes.
Okay, good. Then the end point of digestive system through which waste in our body is thrown out of it. Anus. A-N-U-S, not anus. Anus. Okay.
Anus.
It is anus. So these are the different parts of our digestive system. Now, it is very familiar too, right? You
Yes.
can, at home, in a rough book, you can study the spellings of which one you feel is difficult. Sometimes food pipe and all very simple, small intestine, large intestine, and anus, like this spelling you can, stomach, the spelling of stomach, like this you can write and study. Okay? Will you do it? Will you do it?
Yes.
So, next we want to learn in detail about this organ system. Different organ system, how they help in the digestion. So, we already told mouth. Digestion starts in the mouth. Everybody knows it. So, if I ask a question, name a part of digestive system where digestion starts. Name a, I will ask question, those only to answer. Name a part of the digestive system where digestion starts. Mayuk, unmute. Name the part of digestive system where digestion starts.
Mouth.
Okay, very good. Okay, unmute it. Unmute. So, in our mouth, what all things are there in our mouth? What all things are there to help digestion? Glenn, you are not sitting properly. You are keeping your legs on the table, playing with the device. Sit properly and pay attention to the class. Mute it. So, yeah, in our mouth, teeth and tongue and saliva. Saliva is a liquid produced in our mouth. Saliva is a liquid that is produced in our mouth. So, with the help of the teeth, tongue and saliva, the first process of breaking down of food in the mouth can be done. Understood? with the help of teeth and tongue, mouth will start the digestion. It will break down the food substances. Understood? See, let me ask another one question. Manav. Okay. See, is your teeth present in your mouth are of same type? The teeth present. Unmute. Who is making that sound?
I cannot. It's not clear, ma'am.
It's not clear.
No, ma'am.
See, just check your audio. Okay.
Okay.
1 minute. Okay. See, the teeth which present in your mouth is all are of same type.
No, ma'am.
Very good. You can hear, right? Yes. So
Yes.
now unmute it. Sorry, mute it.
Okay.
So the teeth present in our mouth are not of same type. They are of different shape. They have different size. Felix, don't play with it. Sit properly. Keep your hands properly. Felix Joshi, I can see your fingers more than your face. Okay, I want to see your handsome face, not your fingers. So this one, mouth. In our mouth, different types of teeth are present. The teeth are not of same size. They don't have the same shape, and their uses also are different. Their uses also are different. Can you see the front flat teeth? Flat teeth. Okay.
Yes.
What is the use of that front flat teeth? Who
To
can say?
cut, ma'am, Adide.
Very good. To cut and to bite the food. If somebody gives you an apple, you will take that apple and give it back. Right? Which teeth you are using for that? The front teeth. Flat, large front teeth. Using that teeth, you can cut and you can bite the food. What about your back teeth? Just feel that. Just feel that back
For chewing.
with your tongue.
Ma'am, for chewing.
Okay,
For chewing.
Okay.
Chewing.
How it helps? What is its shape?
To chew the food. Ma'am,
What is its shape?
like one cube.
Flat.
Ma'am,
Like flat, right?
Flat.
The teeth at the back of our mouth is of flat.
Flat.
They help to grind the food.
Grind the food.
Grind the food into a paste. So in our mouth, different types of teeth are present. Some are used to cut and bite the food. Some used to grind the paste. Grind it into paste. See, so many are sitting restless. That is the reason.
Ma'am, someone is making disturbance.
Yeah. So everybody, those are not muting. Adidev, those are not muting the audio. What I should do to them? Okay. Now everybody is okay. And see, tongue also helps in the breaking down of food. Can anybody say? Those who want, you can raise your hand. I can see. And how the tongue helps in breaking down of food. If you know the answer, just raise your hand. I can see. No need to mute it. I will call those only to mute.
Ma'am, what's the question again?
Oh yes, sure. How the tongue helps in breaking down the food. How the tongue in our mouth helps in breaking down the food. Those who know the answer, raise your hand. Ashwell, unmute.
Can you repeat the question, ma'am?
Yes, I did. The tongue present in our mouth. How the tongue present in our mouth helps in breaking down the food.
Mixing the
Ma'am,
food
mixing
with
the food
saliva.
with saliva.
Mixing food with
Mixing the
saliva.
food
Mix with saliva.
Listen, I
Stomach.
gave chance to
Mixing the saliva in the food.
silence.
Mixing saliva in the food. Digest.
See, I told, I clearly told, I will call one student. I want the answer from Ashwell. Ashwell, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so others, please be patient. You listen. If he don't know the answer, I will give the chance to others. Without my permission, don't unmute your audio. See, now we can hear a cock sound, right? Why? You haven't muted your audio. That is why. Ashwell, say the answer.
It helps the food to mix with the saliva.
Very good answer. Okay, now mute it, mute your audio. Good boy. So, this saliva helps to mix the food with the tongue helps to mix the food with the saliva. When the saliva mixed with the food, it will become wet and soft. Just think, when you eat a piece of rusk, it is very hard and rough, solid piece, right? Am I right? It is very solid piece. So, when you put a piece of rusk into your mouth, the tongue mixes that food and the saliva together. Understood? Then that rusk will become soft and wet. Then it is easy for the teeth to break it into small powder form. Am I right? Huh? So, tongue helps to mix the saliva with the food substance. Got it. Not only that, tongue will push the chewed food into our body, that is into the food pipe. Food pipe is at the end of the throat. Am I right? Huh? So you saw food pipe is end of the throat. So the tongue will help to push the chewed food into the food pipe. So first part of the digestion finished in the mouth. Okay. Now also, is the digestion completed? No, it is only started. Mouth is the starting point of digestion. Now, below the throat, what is there? A long tube. Long tube. Maria, unmute your audio and say, what is the name of the long tube at the beginning, at the back of the throat?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Long tube. What is the name of the long tube at the end of the throat?
Food pipe.
Food pipe.
Very good. It is food pipe.
Food
Okay.
pipe.
So, food pipe connects the mouth and
Food
the
pipe.
stomach. Okay. Food pipe connects the mouth and the stomach.
Stomach.
Okay. The chewed food passes through the food pipe
Food pipe.
from the throat and get into the stomach.
Stomach. It will break. It will
The stomach.
and
See that stomach is
will
a
break it
stretchy bag.
again.
It is a bag. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
Riza is blowing in the speaker, but she is not blowing. She is breathing purposely.
Okay. Don't do anything purposely. You know the disturbances, what all happened in this class. So avoid it. You are all good students. If you do these all things, I will surely tell no 4A students, they are all naughty, they are blowing, they are scribbling. So don't be like that. Okay. Now, the food pipe. Food pipe connects the mouth and the stomach. Now we can say about the stomach. Stomach is a bag-like organ. Am I right? Stomach. Stomach is a bag-like organ, and it is a stretchy one. If you feel hungry, what will be the size of your stomach? Very small.
Tennis ball.
Tennis ball. Size of a
Tennis ball.
Yeah. But when you eat food, if it is very favorite food, you may eat some more, right? So at that time, what will be the size of your stomach?
Ma'am, like a football.
Like a football. It will be like a football. So sometimes the stomach can become a tennis ball. Sometimes it can become a football. So it can change its size. It can change
Ma'am, not
its
clear.
size.
Not clear. Anything.
Okay. It can change its size. Understood?
Ma'am, I am not clear.
I am not clear. Don't say like that. Who is that?
I am not audible.
Disturbance.
Felix.
There's disturbance.
Felix, you first sit on your place properly. I am watching you from the
Ma'am,
beginning
tell
of the
them
class
to
itself.
keep quiet.
Yeah, I am telling now.
There is disturbance.
From the beginning itself, I am saying you to mute your audio. Felix, you haven't muted. Mute it.
Ma'am, I want to ask something, so that's why I am unmuted.
Sorry?
Uh,
Sorry.
I want to ask something.
Okay. So now you can ask me doubt when I stop teaching. Okay? I will give time for you. But in between you are muting. You are unmuting and you are trying something. So it will be very, very difficult for me. So let me finish this topic. Stomach. It is a stretchy bag-like organ. It is a stretchy bag-like organ. In the stomach, stomach produces some digestive juices. Some juices that helps in the digestion of food. That is called stomach juice. These stomach juices mix with the food and will make the food into paste form. Understood? Stomach walls also make some movement. Due to the movement of the stomach wall and by the action of stomach juices, the food becomes a paste. You can, today I will. Who is blowing this? Huh? So today I will stop up to the process.
Ma'am, blowing is Siddhi.
Siddhi.
Ma'am, I want to ask a question that is, I am like sketching only.
Hey, don't do like that. You can call me, no? Okay. Who wants to ask question?
Ma'am,
Okay, Siddhi, what do you want?
I just read the textbook.
Very
So I
good.
want to ask a question from a textbook.
Okay, very good. You can ask. I will try my level best.
The liver also have a water, right?
So
Like
it's
a
not
liquid.
clear. It's not clear. Keep the microphone to some distance and tell and say it.
And liver also produce one liquid, right?
Yeah, liver also is producing a digestive.
Bile juice.
That we can
Yeah,
discuss
something
in the
like that.
next class.
Bile juice.
Okay, bile juice. Okay. Now, Felix, do you want to clarify anything? You told me you want to ask something, and that is why you.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Okay.
Time up to warm up.
Felix.
That time no. That time ma'am was not clear to me.
So
Me
that
too.
is, that is you
Me
have
too.
to. That is you have to check your audio. Okay.
Then I muted my audio.
Okay. Now, who is this? Glenn. Who wants to ask?
Ma'am, time up to warm up.
Okay. Now
Time
I
is
want
full.
to. And now I want to end the class. Okay, so read this textbook. I will inform through the message what all things you want to do. Okay, you have to write something in the workbook also. I will send it. Now, bye bye.